Today we got a video from Crime Cam Watch, and the title of the video is entitled "Woman Banned from Flight Refuses to Leave Doesn't End Well."
On July 22nd, 2025, officers responded to a call of a disturbance at an airport, where the calling party stated she was being verbally harassed by an intoxicated woman.
Oh, Spirit. Oh.
Only because I have to get there. That's the way to get out of my life. I'm not in the state that you are. I know you said that. I mean, like, so I'm only trying to you're gonna listen to me. You're not gonna be flying.
Yo.
Let me tell you that. Put your foot down.
It's not about the foot.
No, it is. I'm telling you the next one.
But I booked my flight at 47 a.m. were really up. I'm not drunk, I'm just tired.
You're booking for the day of flight, right now you're not going to get on that flight.
I'm very tired. I got here already.
Okay, we have two options. Before I give you a refund, you can purchase a ticket with another guy.
What's the other option?
I just gave you two options.
You didn't say nothing.
I did. I just had a conversation I gave you. Either I book you for the next flight available.
I'm not leaving tomorrow.
Or I give you a refund and you can purchase a ticket.
You're going to get tired. You hear my thing?
I gave you two options and I need you to choose one.
Because you're with me.
Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm refunding your ticket.
No! Because I have to go. You're going to get fired.
Okay. But you're not traveling with Spirit. No, ma'am.
Miss, I don't need a refund. That's not what you're going to do, though. Only reason that I'm so upset is because I got here at 12 o'clock. Look, you want to know how it went? I got
behind the
there
counter.
an hour and a bit.
Stand back behind the counter. Let's look at this. Steps on top. No talk.
But I'm going to tell you why I'm so upset. Because I had to pay 185 extra for the other ticket. You hear me? Look. I'm not even lying. Look. So this is why I'm so upset, because they like, oh, when I got there the first time, they're like, oh, you gotta book 2 hours in advance. So when I booked it at 8:47 a.m., right? I got here in advance, and they still telling me the same thing. I don't like it. That's why I'm so upset, because Spirit Airlines told me that, hey, you can get there at 11:47 a.m. and they were gonna let you check in. I checked in, right? I checked in at 8:47 a.m., right?
So she no longer has a flight. She's no longer traveling.
She's not going to travel with you guys. You done?
Okay. Yeah.
What is it? You done?
Yeah. So what's going on?
Time to go. Let's go.
You're not going to be traveling with them. Put somewhere else over to Miami.
Let's go.
Yeah.
So when is my money coming back to my card?
7 to 10 business days.
No, it's a credit. You're not doing it.
It's a credit. You get it credit back to your...
Miss, I don't have any money on my card. I already booked the flight for here.
Yeah, I will.
So when you give me the credit, I could use that for another flight?
It's anywhere between 7 to 10 business days.
But listen to me. You saying it's taking 7 to 10 business days for the refund, right? So what? I'm gonna get the whole 150 back?
Yeah, you get the money back, yeah.
Back up, please.
I'm gonna get the whole 150
Yeah, you're going to get the money back.
Yeah.
Back up, please.
Yes, sir, I did back up. How much you want me to back up?
I'm going to need
You
to exit the
acting like
airport
I'm
right
about to shoot you or something. I'm
Ma'am,
just...
we're going to need to exit the airport. You want to get something with Spirit. You're going to have to exit the airport. Unless you go to the next time, book your flight when you're out. That's all. Because the private entity, they say you cannot get with them. I understand that, but
Because I booked it at 47 p.m. You wouldn't know it. Do you really want to know?
your flight was canceled.
But listen to me.
The flight was canceled.
No, listen, put it right.
Yeah, explain.
Listen, don't even say the refund.
Yeah.
She didn't have confirmation or anything.
The flight was about $1.2, right?
Come on, let's go.
So I missed the first flight, right?
Listen, darling.
And I booked
We need to
180.
exit or you're probably going to get arrested. We don't want
No,
that.
I don't want to get arrested, but I just...
Let's go. Let's go outside.
So where can I book the flight? Because I had to get the flight.
somewhere else.
Ay. I don't know if you ever flew Spirit, but I flew Spirit one time. I was going to Miami. And, I'm in New York. So I was going to Miami. And I booked a round trip ticket with Spirit. Going there, it was so bad. The seats was hard. People was just hooting and hollering. I'm like, never again. I refunded the ticket to go back or whatever, or the not refunded, but they gave me a credit or whatever because I canceled it or whatever. Man, I let that credit expire, man. They could have that. I was like, I just canceled and booked something else because, for the flight going back, it was so bad, so bad. I don't know how people fly Spirit because you always run into people like this. It's just unbelievable.
But miss, why can't I book through Spirit? You can't manhandle a female. So don't touch me though.
Start walking.
You acting like a
Ready
weirdo.
to go to jail.
I'm gonna go to jail for you handling me like that? Don't piss me off.
2.
Keep walking, let's go.
But he's a racist. That's what it is. He's a racist. He's fucking racist ass nigga. I didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing.
Trying to be
Hey, I ain't asking you 15 times.
Mister, I walked away. That's all.
Oh, now she talking nice.
You heard that.
Come on, just turn around, turn around.
Why are you doing that if I walked away? That's weird.
Bravo, 14.
Listen, if I walked away,
Stop moving.
I'm not moving, but if I walk away, I'm walking away. That's what I'm saying.
That's fine.
You said go to the other side, right? So I was walking away. All I was doing is talking on freedom of speech.
Have you been drinking? How many you drinking?
Not
Because I can smell
drinking.
the afro. I can smell it.
Okay, I took a gunny, but I wasn't drinking. But I'm just upset because I'm paying so much money.
It's fine. Come on. Come on, Lucas.
But if you're arresting me, it has to be for the good reason. So my problem is that they wasn't letting me get the flight because I was on some.
If there's an email that just come on.
My pocketbook?
Nobody's in there.
Huh?
Have you seen this come up?
Thank you.
Is this related to the other
Can you
case,
tell me
though,
why
or was
I'm
it
getting
something
arrested,
else?
It's not right.
Trespassing.
Trespassing.
Disorderly intoxication.
The lady told me that I could come. That's the thing. It's not right. But look, though, the lady told me I could come, so how am I trespassing? She told me to come.
The flashlight? My flashlight fell somewhere. I'll go look.
The lady told me I could come, so how am I getting arrested? She told me to come. That's what I'm saying.
We asked you to leave.
Watch your leg,
Not
man.
sure
Watch your leg.
but you gotta understand that I just paid about $500 extra.
And you got a refund.
No, I didn't. You're not understanding that. I didn't get a refund. I put it in. You can look at my trauma code. That's the thing. But I'm not intoxicated.
Come on.
All I did was try to get an extra. Yes. But all I did was try to get an extra flight.
You want me to get it? That's what I try to get.
I don't know. She must think she's going to a rap concert or something.
I don't have any marijuana at the time. I don't. You hear me? I was not lying. I'm just letting you know that I just paid $800 extra for a flight. You hear me?
You pay $800 extra for a flight. Spirit ain't even that much. So I don't even know where you get $800 from.
But do you hear me? I was not complaining. I'm complaining on birth side. Imagine you paying $800 for a flight.
The suspect was taken to the county jail and charged with trespassing and disorderly intoxication. Thanks for watching.
If you paying $800 for a flight, you might as well take something besides Spirit. But yeah, no, you know what? She better yet, she can stay on Spirit. Stay there, okay? Don't just stay there. Leave our Deltas and American Airlines and Southwest. Leave us alone. You know what I'm saying? Stay over there with Frontier and Spirit. Stay there, please. Anyway, I think the lady is definitely under the influence of something, for sure. You know, she's not even comprehending what the lady is saying. The lady had to give her the two options about 4 different times in order, you know, and then at that point she still couldn't pick one. So the lady just said, fuck it, I'm gonna pick it for you, you know. So I don't understand what her deal was, but either way it goes, I think the cops did a great job. Get her together, man, because leave. You know, you want to stay, stop, talk, do this, play with your phone, fuck out of here, man. We ain't got time for that shit. Leave, bounce, go somewhere else. She didn't want to do that. She wanted to sit back, plead her case and all that. Plead your case in the holding cell, man. So anyway, I think the cops get a 4 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.